Hey guys, this is Harshita and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll see how to make this simple and very easy to make egg curry. So these are the ingredients required for this recipe. Now without further ado, let's get started. So heat a pan and add 1/4 cup of oil. To this add 1 cup of onion and a few curry leaves. That is 1 medium sized onion roughly chopped. And just saute it for about a minute or two. Now to this add 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste and saute it. Now to this I'm adding puree of 6 tomatoes, that is medium sized tomatoes. Just blend it and add some water if required while blending it. Now add half a spoon of cumin or jeera powder, 1/4 spoon of garam masala, 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder, 1 spoon of sugar, 1 spoon of dhanya or coriander powder, 1 spoon of chilli powder, 1/4 spoon of rock salt, or you can add as per your requirement. Add 1 spoon of butter and just mix it well. Now to this I'm adding about half a glass of water. You can adjust the consistency as you wish, but do not add like too much water. Now I'm adding some more chilli powder. You can adjust the spice according to your need. Now here I'm adding 5 boiled eggs. Give it a good stir. Now let it cook on medium flame for about 5 minutes. You'll see that the curry becomes a little thick. Now add some finely chopped coriander leaves. And that's it. Just give it a good stir and your egg curry is done. Isn't it a super simple recipe and a very easy one to make? So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell button. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.